Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you a tip that can make a significant difference in the success of your Amazon Associates program. When you are setting up your Amazon Associates Central account, it is very important that you set up your account properly. To add this information, follow these steps. 1. Go to your Central account dashboard. 2. Click on the Settings tab. 3. Click on the Add Website or Mobile App button. 4. Fill out the form that appears, providing the necessary information. Be sure to include the domain name for each website or the App Store identification number for a mobile app. For example, if you have a website at URL and an Amazon app for iOS or Android, you'll need to enter both information. If you don't do this, Amazon may not track your associates links and delay your acceptance to the program. After you've set up your account, it's time to create content and share your associates link. Lastly, don't forget to review your account settings. Make sure everything is set to your preference. Once you're satisfied with your account, you're all set to go. Remember, having a proper and well-maintained Amazon Central account can make all the difference in your ability to succeed as an Amazon Associates. Good luck and happy creating. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. Thanks for watching.